Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge your Insta360 GO Ultra. In order to charge it, you will need to find the USB-C port, which is right here, and then plug in the USB-C cable, just like that. And now it'll be charging. I'll plug it into power because it's currently not plugged in, but I have a pretty short cable. Yeah, but you'll see on the screen that both your standalone camera and the action pod are charging. If you can't see that, for example, the standalone camera is not charging, then it's probably just not in the action pod, because you can see there is a button next to the USB-C port. I'll actually unplug it. Yeah, there's this button. If you press on it, then you can take out the standalone camera, and then the standalone camera isn't charging. The only thing that may be charging will be your action pod. Or you can actually charge your standalone camera without charging the action pod by simply putting the camera into your action pod, and then you'll see the standalone camera starts charging even though it's not plugged into any external power source. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.